Hello everyone, you are welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to simplify this radical expression on the board with negative radicand. So if you look at this expression, we have root of -2 multiplied by root of -8. And we know we cannot take the square root of a negative number. So even if you press this in calculator, root of -2 multiplied by root of -8 is going to be equal to undefined. If you press equal to, it will be undefined, but we can still simplify this. How are we going to do? But in some cases, some students went ahead and multiplied these two radicand because according to one of the property of sort, when there is multiplication, we can bring the radicand together. But in this case, it cannot work in that way. If you say this is the same as root of -2 multiplied by -8, then when you multiply -2 by -8, it's going to give us +16. And when you take the square root of 16 is 4. So in this case that we have negative radicand, this cannot work. What are we going to do? We are going to split this -2 as what? Root of +2 multiplied by -1, then multiply by square root of 8 multiplied by -1. So it's still the same. When you multiply 2 by -1, we are going to get -2. And when we multiply 8 by -1, we are going to get -8. The next thing we are going to do is to split this square root by what? Square root of 2, then multiply by square root of -1, then multiply by square root of 8, multiply by square root of -1. And remember, by definition, when you take the square root of -1, is the same as I. So this is going to be what? I, then multiply by square root of 2 is the same as square root of 2, then multiply. When you take the square root of -1, is the same as I again. So we have I here, then multiply by square root of 8. Now we're going to do what? We're going to multiply this I together. And if you multiply I multiplied by I, by definition, it's going to give us -1. So we're going to have -1 and open bracket. Now we can bring these two together now. We're going to have square root of 2 multiplied by 8, which is going to give us -1 multiplied by square root of 16. 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. And when you take the square root of 16, it's going to give us 4. So -1 multiplied by 4 is going to give us -4. So the answer to this question is -4. But if you press calculator, it's going to give you undefined. Thank you for watching, and please follow and subscribe for more videos like this.